Want to speak real Dutch from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at DutchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to another Dutch whiteboard lesson. In this lesson you'll learn common adverbs to describe the frequency of daily activities. Let's start by looking at the vocabulary. First we have altijd or always. Altijd. Altijd. Always. After that we have elke dag. Every day. Elke dag. Elke dag. We follow that with a synonym or an alternative. Dagelijks. Daily. Dagelijks. Dagelijks. Moving on, we go to vaak or often. Vaak. Vaak. Next up is meestal. Usually. Meestal. Meestal. Then we go to soms. Sometimes. Soms. Soms. Follow this up with zelden. Rarely. Zelden. Zelden. And finally, nooit or never. Nooit. Nooit. As you can see, we have gone from the highest frequency, always, or in Dutch, altijd, to the lowest frequency, never, or in Dutch, nooit. Next, let's look at the dialogue. Two neighbors are having a casual chat. While I read, pay attention to the adverb and how and where it's used. Kook jij meestal? Do you usually cook? Ik kook altijd. I always cook. Now let's look at some other speaking examples. Ik werk elke dag. I work every day. Ik werk elke dag. Ik sport vaak. I often play sports. Ik sport vaak. Ik ontbijt meestal. I usually eat breakfast. Ik ontbijt meestal. Ik ga zelden naar de film. I rarely go to the movies. Ik ga zelden naar de film. Ik lees nooit. I never read. Ik lees nooit. You may have noticed that the verb usually comes before the adverb. Ik, verb, frequency. Kook jij meestal? Ik kook altijd. This is the opposite of the way it's done in English. Dutch often resembles English, but sometimes it's also very different, so be careful. Many of these Dutch adverbs have synonyms or alternatives. Just as in English, daily is a synonym for every day, in Dutch, dagelijks means the same thing as elke dag. However, though dagelijks is very common in written language and certainly a useful word to know, it's not a word people commonly use in conversation. Do you remember how to say always? Altijd. Altijd. And how to say I cook? Ik kook. Ik kook. Do you remember how to say I always cook? Ik kook altijd. Ik kook altijd. And how to say every day? Elke dag. Elke dag. Do you remember how to say often? Vaak. Vaak. And how to say usually? Meestal. Meestal. Do you remember how to say sometimes? Soms. Soms. And how to say rarely? Zelden. Zelden. Do you remember how to say never? Nooit. Nooit. Well done! In this lesson you've learned some of the most common adverbs of frequency in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas and I'll see you again at DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.